of strong women, right? And what is it like to be a female athlete or a female who is very intelligent and yet has to live coincide or alongside guys who are constantly maybe giving grief or whatever? At 2B, well, the symbol obviously of the golden apples comes to mind, of temptation, right? That kind of thing. The conflict, obviously male versus female, comes to mind here, right? At 3A, we think about the Troy tale and what we're going to tell in the story, the judgment of Paris, that golden apple. We'll hear about this one in the next lecture in part 4 of Hamilton's Mythology. Finally, at 3B, how about this one? Do you think the culture today is changing in regards to guys and girls, guys and girls? So, for example, is it the case at Royal High School that girls' sports are treated as equal with boys' sports? And if not, why not? Right? Is the NBA followed as much as the WNBA, for example? It's a classic example, right? And if not, why not? Because it is the case that increasingly, I mean, we are finding female athletes that are superior to many male athletes, and yet sometimes not accorded the same level of respect. Why is that? Well, obviously, Atalanta is a classic example of maybe how things are changing or should change. All right, that concludes our lecture. Next, we turn to part 4, which is chapters 13 through 16, what we will call the Troy tale. We got basically 3 divisions to this one. Stories that we will call pre-Iliad, stories that come from the Iliad, and stories that we will call post-Iliad, like the Odyssey and the Aeneid. We'll come back to this. Really, it is the heart of Edith Hamilton's text, Mythology, and so we'll pick up with that lecture next. Thank you.